Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on the CB. Hopefully it's nothing major. Hopefully it goes quick and easy, but so I've been having some problems with the camshaft position sensor, and basically with this junkyard motor, I mean, it's already not been perfect for a long time, but I got the P0340 code, and it slowly started getting worse and worse. Like, it started out, it would just kind of cut ignition here and there, and it was nothing major, and I kept driving it and stuff like that, and it just got worse and worse to the point yesterday where I couldn't hardly get it home from work. So today I'm just going to be trying to change that camshaft position sensor and get that out the way, and hopefully it goes pretty quick and easy. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm not sure how well you guys are going to be able to see this, but basically the bolt for this is like right here somewhere. I don't know if you can see that, like right here. It's very hard to get to. I'm struggling very much.
Talk to me, Jesse. This ain't working, brother.
To no surprise. Sharp zip ties are like the most annoying thing on the planet. Holy crap. I can confirm this does suck if you have a rotated turbo. This is stupid. The other side wouldn't be so bad. I could just take a charge pipe off, and it probably wouldn't be that bad, but I need to take like the whole freaking turbo assembly off. I'm just going to go ahead and take the intake off real quick, quarter intake, because I think I can get to this a lot easier. I have the bolt, so I pretty much got the bolt all the way loose. I don't know if you can see or not, but I got it loose, but I can't really like get to the bolt good enough to take it out, or especially like get the actual sensor out. So I'm gonna try to take the cold air intake off, and I think if I move this, I'll be able to slide more in the bottom, and possibly wiggle it out from down there. So I'm gonna try to take this off, and then we'll see where it goes from there. so we got this off of the intake out of there. And we just gotta pop this guy off. So vacuum line out of the way, and then just unplug the MAF, and then there she be. So I'll just set that to the side, and then so I think if I get right here, which I can actually see the sensor right here. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. Oh no. You better cut that or you're dying. But it's right back in there. I don't know if it's easy to tell or not, but yeah, I'm gonna try it from this angle and see what I can get. Alright, so it's the next day now, but I did manage to get it back in there, and it's all good to go. I ended up having to take the intake off and trying to free up space to get to it, but we got it all done, and we're gonna start it now and see if there's any codes. The PO340 code, see if that's still there and see if that fixed the problem. Go for it.
We're just going to go ahead and take it for a quick grip and see if this code comes back, see how it's doing. The problem it was having before, it seemed like it got worse when it would warm up, which kind of makes sense. That sensor is breaking down, and then if he'd shut it off, let it cool down for a little bit, it tended to come back and run a little bit better for a minute. So we got the new sensor in. I cleared all the codes. We're driving now with the phone connected to the ECM, and we'll just check it out, see how it's doing.
It's two girthy boys in one small car.
Right. I think we've doubled the weight of the car. seems to be fine, but you never know because it was always really intermittent. So I guess he'll just drive it, see how it does. Right?
Yep.
All right. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Please, if you could, just subscribe. It's completely free. Just hit the button down there, subscribe, click the bell if you want. But appreciate all the views, all the likes. Give us a comment. Let us know what you'd like to see.
Peace.